Hey, amazing teachers! Are you tired of assigning traditional homework that students either dread or don't take seriously? Let's talk about something fresh, fun, and incredibly effective: replacing homework with real life tasks. Imagine this: your student's assignment is to walk into their favorite coffee shop, order a drink in the target language, and maybe even chat a bit with the barista. It's simple, achievable, and gets them using language in authentic, practical ways. Real communication beats drills any day, and you'll be amazed at how much confidence this builds. One super easy strategy to get started is to create a real life task menu. Pick a theme like food and give your students a scenario like you're at a restaurant in Madrid. Practice saying, "Quisiera una tortilla española, por favor." If your ordering food feels too bold, start smaller. Ask them to greet someone in the target language or say thank you when they grab their coffee. Then, have them report back in class about their experience. You can even turn this into a fun reflection activity by asking, "What did you learn? What would you say differently next time?" And the best part, these tasks naturally align with building proficiency because language is meant to be used. Ready to take this idea even further? Check out the Comprehended 2025 conference for tons of creative strategies to transform your teaching. You'll leave with actionable ideas to help your students thrive in real-world communication. Registration is now open at mm.us/conference. Let's ditch the boring homework and get your students speaking, laughing, and learning with ease.